Hi guys, while Huawei has made multiple foldable phones in the past, the P50 Pocket is their solution for offering something in the clamshell foldable design. Made to compete with devices like the Samsung Z Flip, the P50 Pocket brings a level of design and beauty to clamshell phones that other devices are lacking. Powered by the Snapdragon 888 4G and running EMUI 12, the Huawei P50 Pocket is one of the best foldables available right now. When the device is fully opened, you can enjoy the large 6.9 inches display with a full 21:9 aspect ratio. When it's closed, the 3D micro-sculpture design shows off the unique surface on the phone. Here's a closer look at the best aspects of this new device from Huawei. This phone is definitely going for a bold look by integrating raised pattern designs into the surface of the phone. You can get the Huawei P50 Pocket in two different styles. The white version features a diamond pattern across both halves of the phone, making it shine and sparkle when the light hits the surface. The premium edition of the phone is gold and was made in collaboration with haute couture designer Iris van Herpen. It features an amazing style of organically flowing patterns in a stunning gold tone, bringing an element of organic, kinetic life to cutting-edge technology that moves. For the hinge, Huawei designed a reinforced mechanism with innovative materials that allow the device to fold and unfold seamlessly. The display will show no signs of creasing, preserving the flawless look that you get when you first open the box. At its full capacity, the screen of the Huawei P50 Pocket is a large 6.9 inches. The 21:9 aspect ratio makes it ideal for watching movies or multitasking using apps at the bottom and top of the display. With the support of a 120 Hz refresh rate, performance on this device feels buttery smooth. The nano-optical layer eliminates reflections and emphasizes the 1 billion colors that can be experienced on this display. You'll find a secondary display that can be seen when the phone is closed, right under the main camera. It's made to be the same shape and size as the camera, which makes this one of the best back display designs on this type of phone. You'll use this screen to view notifications and other types of information, without having to open up the main display. Performance and specs. This phone is not simply dedicated to its form factor, but it exceeds in power and performance as well. Take full advantage of the 120 Hz display with the Snapdragon 888 4G to power the most intense apps and games. You can choose between the standard P50 Pocket or the premium edition, which features more RAM and storage options. Camera. Use the incredible cameras to discover the Super Portrait and Super Pro modes. These let you take high-quality photos with an incredible amount of detail. Bring out your natural contours and beauty by revealing authentic skin tone and cosmetics with the Ultra Spectrum Camera Matrix technology. This new technology also makes low-light photography look amazing. Preserve details in the darkest corners of your shot while avoiding grain. The True Chroma image engine empowers true color display, bringing the subtle characteristics and distinctions of colors to life. Since this is a foldable phone, you can use the main camera as your selfie camera, with the secondary screen as your viewfinder. Take the highest quality selfies for your social media, and don't settle for a lesser selfie camera. The Huawei P50 Pocket is on sale in China. The base model starts at $1,411, while the special edition model with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage is priced at $1,725. Huawei hasn't detailed when it plans to bring the phone to other markets outside China. Thank you for watching. See you soon.